should have never gone there. You need to leave. You need to leave now. And I said now. Go. Quick. It is coming. It is coming. It's coming!
This will be a tutorial management. The lobby is where you can book in, swim in the pool, and hang out. The first floor is the hotel rooms, and so are the second, third, and fourth. Don't go down to the bottom level though, as you may never come back. Anyways, that's it for that tutorial management tutorial. We'll see you soon. Bye!
Containment has been breached. Containment has been breached. I repeat, we need urgent help. Project Sunflare. Down floor, we need help. Now, quick. There are people dying. Quick. Please help us. So, what do you think while creating this thing? The Soundweaver is mine. I created it. It's my creation and my rules. I wanted it to be the very best of anomalies. And this anomaly, it's not a nice one. I don't learn, which is a bad thing that people say. But I say it solves my creativity. So, when I was making the Soundweaver, all I thought of it was how many, or how much joy I would have seeing it evolve to this beautiful, deadly killer. Heh. Funny, right? Sir, what are you doing? What? No, get away!
I remember the days, all those years ago that never fade away. And I remember your face when you hit the ground. I can recall the time and place on the midnight walk through the old streets, trying to turn back the clock to the days of old, back to the days when all the things we knew were made of gold. As the world moves on, time sings a song, in the old neighborhood. As the clock strikes one, the memory lives just as it's